Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our material today is about oil and fat. Fats and oils are naturally occurring mixtures of triacylglycerols. All three acyl groups in a triacylglycerol may be the same. All three may be different, or one may be different from the other two. The three acylglycerols can also called triglycerides. Triglycerides that are solids or semi-solids at room temperature are called fats. Liquid triglycerides are called oils. Most fats are obtained from animals and are composed largely of triglycerides with fatty acid components that either are saturated or have only one double bond. Saturated means single bond. The saturated fatty acid tails pack closely together, giving this triglyceride relatively high melting point. Liquid triglycerides are called oils. Oils typically come from plant products such as corn, soybeans, olives, and peanuts. They are composed primarily of triglycerides with unsaturated fatty acid and cannot pack tightly together. Consequently, they have relatively low melting points. Hydrolysis of a fat or oil produces a mixture of fatty acids and glycerols. See the mechanism on the screen. Free fatty acid or FFA are produced by the hydrolysis of oils and fats. The level of FFA depends on time, temperature, and moisture content. Because the oils and fats are exposed to various environments such as storage, processing, heating, or frying. FFA content is one of the most important concerns in the refining of edible oil. FFA is often used to indicate the oil quality and its suitability for edible. Indonesian National Standard or SNI determine the FFA content for used cooking oil is not more than 0.3%. In a fatty acid chain, if there are only single bonds between neighboring carbons in the hydrocarbon chain, the fatty acid is said to be saturated. Saturated means there is no double bond. See the figure on the screen. Stearic and palmitic acid, which are commonly found in animals. When the hydrocarbon chain contains a double bond, the fatty acid is said to be unsaturated. Oleic acid is an example of an unsaturated fatty acid. See the figure on the screen. Unsaturated fats help to lower blood cholesterol levels, whereas saturated fats contribute to plaque formation in the arteries. The different isomers. Cis isomer. At a Cc double bond, the attached hydrogen atoms are on the same side of the hydrocarbon chain as each other. See the two CH3s on the screen. They are the same side. At a Cc double bond, the attached hydrogen atoms are on the opposite sides of the hydrocarbon chain to each other. See the CH3 on the screen. They are the opposite sides. We call it as trans. A few fatty acids with trans double bonds or trans fatty acid occur naturally, but the major source of trans fat comes from partial hydrogenation of vegetable oil in, for example, the preparation of margarine. Trans fatty acids have associated health risks. The two types of fat that lead to health problems are namely saturated fats and trans fats. Trans fats alter the balance of various types of cholesterol. They increase low-density lipoprotein or LDL levels in circulation, so-called bad cholesterol. They decrease high-density lipoprotein or HDL levels in circulation, so-called good cholesterol. LDLs are known to increase the risk of coronary heart disease, blood clotting, and strokes. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.